Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into TD online banking, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the TD bank login in Google. So once you do that, you will be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to tap on that link, and now you will be redirected to the official page of the TD bank where you can see there is a login option at the top right corner of this home page. So let's tap on that login option, and now you can see there is a online banking option just down below of this banking and investing. So let's tap on that online banking, and now finally you will be redirected to the official login page of the TD online banking where you can see it is asking us for our username and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the login. Then your basically what is going to be happen is your credentials going to be saved in this browser successfully, and by chance if you have forgotten your username or your password, then simply tap on that forgot username and / or password on the screen. So once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the another page where you need to complete few more formalities, and once you verify yourself, you will be able to get access and you will be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into TD online banking. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.